In this video you are going to learn how to subscript in Word. I'm going to show you two possibilities to subscript in Word, so let's start with the first one. The basic method for doing a subscript in Word is to use the subscript button in the Home tab. When the button is activated, you can start typing your subscript, and when you are finished, just click on the button again. The second method for doing a subscript is usually used when you are writing mathematical formulas. For that, go to the Insert tab and in the Symbols section, click on Equation. Alternatively, you can also use the shortcut Alt and Equal. To now insert a subscript in the equation, click on Script and choose the second option. You can then click into the field that are shown here and type a basis and also an index. So that's it, but before you go, please support this channel by hitting the subscribe button, liking the video and maybe also sharing your feedback in the comments.